Ever wondered if that promising crypto platform, Uphold, is actually available for you to use right here in the United States? Thinking face, it's a common question, and with the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency regulations, it's more important than ever to know where you stand. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery of Uphold's availability in the USA. Yes, Uphold is indeed available in the USA. It's a fully legal and regulated platform operating under U.S. financial regulations, including crucial KYC, Know Your Customer, and AML, anti-money laundering, policies. This means that for the majority of U.S. residents, you can access Uphold's services to buy, sell, and trade a wide array of cryptocurrencies, precious metals, and even some fiat currencies. While Uphold generally operates across the United States, there's a crucial caveat: state-specific regulations. The U.S. financial regulatory environment is complex, with individual states having the authority to impose their own rules on financial service providers. This can lead to certain limitations or restrictions on Uphold's services in particular states. The most notable example of this is New York. Due to the state's stringent bit license regulations, Uphold is currently not available for new accounts in New York. This isn't unique to Uphold. Many crypto platforms face similar challenges in complying with New York's specific requirements. For residents in other states, Uphold is typically accessible. They hold money transmitter licenses in numerous states across the country, ensuring they can legally offer their services. It's always a good idea to check Uphold's official website or support pages for the most up-to-date list of supported states and any specific limitations that might apply to your location. For U.S. customers in supported states, Uphold offers a robust set of features. You can trade a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Uphold boasts an extensive selection of digital assets, allowing you to diversify your crypto portfolio. Access precious metals. Beyond crypto, Uphold also lets you trade in precious metals like gold and silver, providing another avenue for investment. Manage fiat currencies. You can hold and exchange various traditional currencies, making it a versatile platform for both crypto and fiat. Earn rewards. Uphold has been actively reintroducing and expanding its staking and interest-earning programs for U.S. customers, allowing you to potentially earn passive income on your holdings. They recently relaunched staking rewards for U.S. customers on various crypto assets. Utilize their debit card. While primarily available in the UK, Uphold has plans to relaunch its crypto debit card in the United States, which would offer even more flexibility for spending your assets. Uphold has gained popularity for several reasons that appeal to U.S. users. Transparency. They pride themselves on transparency, publicly publishing their reserve audits every 30 seconds, a commitment that aims to build trust with their users. Ease of use. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, offering a one-step trading experience that simplifies conversions between different assets. Regulatory compliance. Uphold's commitment to adhering to U.S. financial regulations, including KYC and AML, provides a layer of security and legitimacy for users concerned about operating within legal frameworks. Multi-asset platform. The ability to trade a diverse range of assets, from crypto to precious metals and fiat, all on one platform, makes Uphold a convenient choice for many investors. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is dynamic. What's true today might evolve tomorrow. Therefore, it's always recommended to check Uphold's official website for the most accurate and current information regarding their availability and services in your specific state. Review their terms and conditions before signing up. Always read the user agreement relevant to your region to understand any specific limitations or requirements. So, if you've been wondering about Uphold's availability in the U.S., the answer is a resounding yes, with important but manageable state-specific considerations. It's a platform that continues to expand its offerings while striving for regulatory compliance, making it a viable option for many American investors. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.